we've been trying this for a very long time now. I think 30 minutes. He's looking at them. Look, oh. Tignan nyo naman si Doc Milan. Dapat marunong na siyang magganyan. Dapat matuto siya. Eh, very good ka niyan.
What very, very good. He didn't even touch his...
Ewa! Ito yung Einstein box na tinatawag nila dyan. They call it Einstein box. Ahuray. Ang ulam natin for today guys is broccoli na may kasamang patatas. So ako na yung nagluluto ngayon kasi tapos na yung sawamay na. So dito, dito sa bakery hindi ako yung magluluto. Actually roti pala to. Sa roti, si mami yung magluluto nito. And napakuluan ko na din yung kanin. And nakaready na din yung dal natin dito. And right over here, gagawa tayo ng tinatawag nilang ghee. So ayan siya. Nakaready na itong mixer natin. And then, magtutulungan na lang kami ni Mommy na matapos lahat ng mga trabaho dito. So, ayan. Papakuluan ko, papalambutin ko lang ito guys and then I'll update you later. So, ayan guys, gumagawa lang tayo ng ghee. Kasi sobrang dami na yung mga malay na na-impact. So, gagawa na tayo ng ghee. Dahil naman sakit yung kamay ni Mommy, ako na yung nagrahado nito. And siya na lang yung magsa-separate ng buttermilk at saka ng ginamaya. And right over here naman, nagluluto ako ng ulam namin which is cabbage bataka. So okay na yung natin guys. Okay na yung vegetable natin guys which is cabbage bataka. So right over here, natapos ko na rin itong ginagawa kong ghee. So, mami, achuta tayo. So, ako yung naghalo-halo dito, nagmix-mix kasi may problema si mami sa kamay. Tapos, siya na yung magsa-separate ng buttermilk at saka ng makan or ghee. So, dito naman yung dal. Okay na rin yung dal natin. Papakuluan na lang natin siya. And then, we're ready. We're set. So, ayan guys. Mami, hukara siya, pra? Chas. So, ito yung chas. Ane makan. So, ito yung pag-separate niya ng buttermilk, guys. So, pagkatapos kong hinalo-halo yan, ang ginagawa ni Mami is hinuhugasan niya. Ganda chen Mami, at ledo par se barabar. Kailawakat? Bewat. So, mabaho kasi yan, guys. Kapag hindi nahugasan ng maayos. So, ganyan siya. Hinuhugasan ni Mami. And then, after nun, papakuluan na niya. Ayan guys, nakaluto na ako ng pagkain namin for today. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-video kasi nagising na si Ivan. So ayan, meron tayong dal dyan, meron tayong cabbage bataka, and meron tayong kanin. And dito si Mami naman yung nagluluto ng ghee. Patig yung Mami ghee, alaba na? Kailan na kilo siya? Kilo 4. So, abechvano, kailan mali Mami? Abechvano ipachiapra. 700 per kilo. Kilo neta. So, yung ghee na to guys, yung concentrated butter na to. Na-i-veg ba pra? Yung concentrated butter na to guys, kung bibilhin mo siya sa market, 700 rupees per kilo daw. So, nasa mga 500 pesos per kilo to. So, ayan siya. Si Mami ginagawa niya lang dito sa bahay. Kasi nga marami kaming supply ng milk. Droj milk siya na garaya pra. Ilewego tayo. So, ayan. Tapos na siyang gumawa. Tapos na rin ako magluto. Nakagawa na rin siya ng rodli. So, ngayon maglilinis na ako nitong rasodo or kitchen. And you just have to keep on mixing this guys, yung ghee na to. Kasi kapag hindi mo siya minix, yung sa ibabang part niya, masusunog. So, dapat lagi kang nakaantapay dito. And then, kung napapansin nyo, nakaready na rin yung pang-filter natin. Kasi, dito sa ghee na to guys, merong mamumuo. Tapos, yung buo na yun, tinatapon or yung iba, kinakain. So, yung kapitbahay namin guys, kapag gumagawa kami ng ghee, hinihingi talaga niya yung excess na buo-buo sa ghee yung kinakain niya. Father's duty again. What did you bring?
Supply of water, sterile water.
So, umalis din ng maaga si Milan, guys, para bumili ng supply ng water. And ito yung pampahid ko sa ano ko, sa katawan ko, para sa mga stretch marks. Milan, I don't understand. Wait, let me go and open the light so they can see. You know, in Philippines, we buy Wilkins or some 1 liter of water, and then we use milk. We pour the milk there. But in here,
We
they're
have
using this. Ganyan yung ginagamit nila, guys.
So every 1 spoon,
Oo.
you have to use 3.
Oo. 3 like
See,
that.
so you can have proper calculation. You don't need to worry.
So, ayan guys, ito yung ginagamit nila kapag wala ako or the baby is not yet full with my milk. So, they put extra.
We are doing breastfeeding.
Oo.
It's only 2 or maybe 2 times.
Emergency.
Yeah, 2 times in a day, right?
When I'm busy or when I'm not around.
No, not
And
mostly
when the
it's
baby
when
is not
baby is not
full.
still hungry.
When the
After
baby is still
120, right?
hungry, yung baby namin hungry
Per
pa
1
siya.
spoon, you have to use 3.
So, ayan guys, ang daming binili ni Milan. So much you bought?
Expiry date is 26.
So, you will finish it anyway.
ઝીણું ધરાયું છે જાડું ધરાયું
ઝીણું જ રોટલા અને લાડુ બનાવવાના
for લાડુ and રોટલા is millets, not grain, millets flour.
Kakain na tayo guys. It's 12 o'clock right now. And usually kapag kumakain kami dito guys, isi-serve mong ganito yung mga plate. So ito yung ulam natin which is cabbage bataka. Isi-serve mo sa bawat plate yung cabbage bataka. And then uupo na lang yung mga kalalakihan. Ayan.
Everything still.
You have to go and put everything in one plate. So usually sinaserve natin yung mga lalaki. And then uupo na lang sila after some time. Yan. Dapat alam mo kung ilan yung kakainin nila, kung ano yung capacity nila. And then there's dal over here. Meron tayong separate na party for that. Pero later na yan kakainin. And meron tayong rice dito. This is the rice. Ayan. And then we have buttermilk right over here. And meron tayong salt dito or jiromito, yung cumin seeds na may kasamang salt. Ay, ayan ang lola. Hello da, ba. Kemcho ba? Ayan o. Uy, iyak-iyak ang baby na yan. Gwapo-gwapo naman. Uy, ba't ka umiiyak? Ayan, naiirata na siya. Ang sarap naman ng tulog ng baby ko. Ayan guys, pinainom ko na siya. Pinadedi ko na siya ng gatas. Ang problema sa kanya, ginagawa niyang pacifier yung ano ko. Ayaw niyang, siguro nagkakaroon yata kami ng 1 hour session kapag nagpapadede. Ewan ko ba, parang comfortable siya sa akin. Ayan na, sarap ng tulog. Sarap ng tulog naman ng baby na yan. Walang kilay. Naayos din namin to. Nilalagyan kasi namin ng ganito guys. Kasi yung tenga niya, para hindi mag-deform. Ayan. Sarap ng tulog niya. So, meron na receive si Ivan na higaan guys.
મોટો થાય તે સુધી
So, hanggang 6 months. 6 months chale. Hen eh, mami?
વધારે પુષ્પાવી જેટલો થાય
So, ang laki-laki. This is from kone, Aipu?
સારું સુલાય
Aksali. So, this is from Aksali Foy. Foy keway? Aksali Foy. So, ayan guys. Meron siyang mga mga bitaw-bitaw ano tawag dyan? Nakakularete. Masta siya. Hanggang maging 9 months siya. Egg varasudi chale. Yan mami. Egg varasudi. Ayan. Ang ganda. Kolo.
પછી મજા આવે
Matchar dani che. Hukeway.
મચ્છર
So, meron siyang kulambo. Ganda. Masta siya.
આ બધું લટકતું જોવે ને
Ebi ni chera kay mami. Apela siya ne upar.
પેલી
Ani
ઉપર ને આ
che.
નીચે
Chale. એટલે અરિયે
ના
પાકી
કરવું
ગયા
પડે.
આપણા અરિયે ઘરે
એટલે તો
નીચે
પલંગ
છે.
જોડ પેલી ગાળ દીધી
ચાલે એવું
એ
જ
પલંગ
કરવાનું
પર આની ઓયડામ
હમ.
ત્રણ જગ્યાની ત્રણ મચ્છરદાની
એ
થઈ
જ ને
ગઈ
ચાલે બાકી એક ઉપર એક નીચે બસ પેલા
બે નીચે.
પેલા છે ને પેલા જૂનો હતું ને એ ઉપર મૂકી દો
એ તો ઉપર જ લઈ ગઈ ને તું
ચાલે.
પહેલા એ નીચે
ઉપર છે હજુ so ayun guys dumating na yung parcel natin let's go Radhashri focus so ayun guys meron tayong parcel let's open the parcel those parcel are for ano only for Ivan tot so much Jan open it open everything let's go guys open natin umorder kami ng ilang mga items everything for Ivan
કપડા છે
it's for vision improvement focus
પેલું સર્કલ વાળું ને બધું.
babies
Mind
play
development.
set yes newborn 0 to 3 months I think or 0 to 6 months newborns to 1 year pala
Newborns to 1 year.
Mm-mm.
Season nila.
ito yung Einstein box na tinatawag nila dyan they call it Einstein box ahuray dyan
છોકરો આઈન્સ્ટાઈન બને એમ
lucky diduchela Einstein box for the mind let's see what
માઇન્ડ
is inside
ડેવલપમેન્ટ માટે
cutie
પેંગ્વિન ને પાંડા
Peter
Soft,
check
soft.
mo
No, it's soft so it will not hurt his face.
okay so he can just play with it right
Yes.
okay
It will not hurt. It is so soft.
and this one is look hello partners okay parents
Parents or partners.
hello parents ho siya
Just
okay it's
information
instruction
about- yes. He cannot see colorful images. So this will
so that's the black and white na
yeah.
yan bongga so he can see only black and white right now
Yes. He can see clearly.
red
black
also
and-
he can see red
It will enhance his brain's ability.
ayan green I've read that he can already see red green something like that
Particular colors. More black and white.
ayan baby's first
Research shows that the sooner you start reading to babies, the better it is for their brain development.
book okay so ayan
So we have
kaya
to
binili namin yan guys
we have to read it to him.
and this one is object
Ah,
ayan yan yung mga color
high contrast flashcards.
I saw it. I was browsing and then I saw like for the mind development of the
We
baby.
just have to do this.
And then show him when he's awake.
Yes.
You know,
He will
ganun siya.
surely give attention.
Yan, when you're playing with the baby, you just show him this. So he will enhance the focus, no?
Yes. He can concentrate more.
And this one, well, let's see what is this, guys. Kung ano yung mga dumating. Actually, marami akong in-order. But dalawa pa lang yung dumating. So let's see what arrived.
These are also cards.
This one,
You want me to
Open.
It's
Show them.
objects.
Okay.
So he will recognize objects.
Ayan.
Moon and sun.
Duck.
Duck and lion. Baby
Baby.
and footprint. Bug and elephant.
High contrast, flashcards. And we will open. Papa-open natin kay Jano.
I think it's 2 items in one box.
Okay, everything. Everything in one box. All the things that I ordered. Ayan guys, nag-order ako nito. Actually, I'll tell you the story of this lamp. Give me the lamp, Jano. This lamp, guys, kailangan ko kasi ito para hindi na i-istorbo yung tulog ni Milan or ni Jano whenever I'm upstairs. Because 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, nagigising si baby. So, I just have to open this lamp. And I don't need to open the whole ilaw. Janice, that's ano?
Cleanser.
That's for cleaning the bottles of Ivan.
Cleanser of baby all the baby items.
Look. This is for the ano, the
How much for
chupon.
this?
It's very cheap. Don't worry. This is for the bottles inside and that is for the nipple. Ah. Guys, so tuwing hindi kami kumakain ng dinner. Whenever we don't want to cook dinner, guys, we're always going here. Hotel Shala sa Buri. And then we're buying some tarkakichi. And also because nakakalabas na ako, I can eat pani puri right now. Yan, may pani puri dito. Let's go and eat. I miss going out, guys. Because it's Hawamay na tapos na. So, makakakain na ako sa labas. Ayan, pani puri yan. It's been a while, Milan, since I last ate here. You know?
Yes.
It's been
Lot
how
of
many?
time already.
It's been months.
Not
Before,
6, 8, 9 months.
na, when I was pregnant. From the
come here?
moment I was pregnant. Like 1 year now that I did not go here. It's been a year. So, ayan. Ayan yung... Doon kami mag-order ng tarkakichi. Did you order already? So, ayan guys, we bought this, ang tawag dito mga flashcards for the vision. High contrast flashcards yung tawag
It's
nila
for
dito.
after 1 or 1.5 month to 12 months.
Ivan?
So we bought
Kanina
it
pa
after
namin,
1 month.
we've been trying this for a very long time now. I think 30 minutes. He's looking at them. Look, oh. Oh? What is this? Elephant? Can you see?
If you speak right now, it's elephant, I will go and run away.
Kanina pa siya nakahiga actually, guys. Kanina pa niya tinitignan lahat. Naubos na namin lahat ng mga to. Pero, I can really see na Milan, look at him, oh. He is looking. Nagugutom na siya. What is this, anak? Oh?
Triangle,
pattern niya,
triangle.
pattern. Triangle. Pattern siya, triangle. There's a duck, oh. Duck. Ivan.
I think he want to do poo-poo.
Duck.
He is trying to do poo-poo.
Pupu siya, pupu. Oh, ayan, duck. Oh, duck. May duck tayo dito, duck. He wants to poop.
I think so too.
No, study time na. Finish na?
No study time, no
Okay,
study time.
no
But
study
he is
time
tired na.
Okay, 30 minutes na namin ginagawa to. Okay, no study time na, anak. Okay, finish na. Tara na. Finish na. Okay. Tignan nyo naman si Doc Milan. Dapat marunong na siyang magganyan. Dapat matuto siya. Eh, very good ka niyan.
What very, very good. He didn't even touch his...
Ewo?
No.
Kambay.
He just hold him.
The
Turuan.
poo-poo?
Because
I have free nanny.
free na ni Jano.
Aya.
Phoy sa Jano, phoy sa Jano, phoy.
Ayan, tinuturuan na natin si Milan, guys. So, whenever...
He only does that work which is clean. Without
Kambay.
susu, without pee and without poop.
Kambay. Why are you doing that? I thought Milan is the one washing earlier. So, I was
No,
like,
he
let
just
him
told
learn.
him.
I was like, let him learn. So, when we go to the Philippines, I have someone.
I asked him to let me hold him and you wash him.
Nah.
But he refused.
Kambay, it's your son. Ayan o. I will chup tayo.